Today's mindfulness activity is reflecting on a positive future. Let's begin by taking a moment to allow your body to settle. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and start with a few deep breaths. You may close your eyes or leave them open, taking a deep breath in and out. Once more, deep breath in and out. Let the belly and shoulders relax as you continue to breathe. Today, I'll guide you through a practice to envision a positive future. It's a chance to connect with that place inside us that wants to work toward a life of meaning and fulfillment. This is a useful way to consider how we care for ourselves, as well as how we care for others, and also how to show up at our best to meet life's challenges. Before we begin, take one more deep breath in and out. And just allow the breath to find its natural rhythm. Allow yourself to be fully present, resting on the breath. I'll provide you with questions to prompt ideas and responses that can help to find a positive future for yourself. Throughout this practice, let your body and your mind feel loose and open. Repeat the questions to yourself silently, but resist the urge to problem solve. See if anything comes up on its own, and if nothing comes to mind, you can always continue to rest your attention on the breath until something does arise. To begin, ask yourself, what kind of future do I want for myself? Notice the thoughts, feelings, and images that come to mind. Continue to breathe as you reflect on your response. Deep breath in and out. As you hold this positive future in your mind, notice what emotions are present. Explore this future for yourself a little deeper as you reflect on the following questions. How can I show up in a way that will allow this positive future to unfold? How can I show up fully for the opportunities that I encounter? Who do I want to be in relation to others? What barriers may come up for me, and how will I overcome them? What are the skills or capabilities that I'll need to get there? practice support this future. Visualize yourself right now, somewhere in this positive future, and reflect on the things that you did that enabled you to get there. Envision yourself now doing some of those things. Maybe it's spending time with your family. Maybe it's engaging in a daily practice that supports clarity and focus. Maybe it's putting your energy into learning new things. Or perhaps it's how you allow yourself to connect with others. See yourself accomplishing those things and notice what it feels like as you imagine doing them. Know that this vision you have of your positive future can come to be if you believe it and you are willing to work for it. A dream written down with a date becomes a goal. A goal broken into steps becomes a plan. A plan backed by action makes your dreams reality. As we come to an end of this mindfulness exercise, keep in mind you can come back to this meditation at any time to rediscover connection to that place inside that's ready to create that positive future for yourself. We all have the ability to improve our lives and the lives of those around us. Take this feeling with you as you continue with your day. Allow it to guide you and your actions throughout the day. Go ahead and take a deep breath in and out. Once more, inhale in and out. Again, deep breath in and out. Namaste.